All right, what's going on, everyone? So today I'm here with Ian, right here with Ben back there, and basically today what we're doing is we're doing a little shopping video. You know,
yes,
you say that's what you'd say it's going on right here.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, you know, I decided that's what we're gonna do today in this video.
Cops and commercials.
Exactly. Yeah, we need to cop some stuff because it's been so long since I've done any sort of unbox. So hope you all will enjoy this. Hey, don't forget, if they new?
So they know to subscribe and like.
Exactly.
Like the vid.
Yes, sir. All right. Y'all about to see this. Let's get started.
Sicko
tee. Don't you already have one? Yeah, he's got one. You got the gatos. What are you trying to do? Do the Sean. Do you have a pair coming in?
We do.
Yes,
we got some in the works.
Yeah, we got some in the works. But here's what I'm looking at. Look at they got a lot of shoes in here. It's a good sneaker store in Charlotte.
Which
one? Good times. What? Yeah, which ones? I'm thinking about Statics or these. I have enough money for either one. What do you think?
I'm thinking Statics.
No, but the thing is just that aren't you getting a pair of Statics?
I'm not like.
I'm thinking these. They go for more of my outfits, and if we go for we'll have enough money if we get these to get something after.
Yeah, you can get a tee.
Exactly. So we're taking the whole. What should this video be called? It's like $500 Hypebeast outfit transformation.
Yeah. Get an outfit.
Yeah, high key. I think that's the moves. I think that's the title of this video. Hold on, I'm gonna see. Should we title this video $500 Hypebeast outfit transformation?
You're doing it?
Yeah. Do you think that'd be a good idea?
Yeah, do it.
Yeah. All right. That's what we're doing. All right. Let's start.
Nice tee.
No, let's start with the shoes. We got some. Here, no, come on. All right. So, all right. Over here we got these right here. Y'all seen these? Look at these are dead stock. Right? I'm waiting for them to focus. Look at the colors on these. The price is fire, and they also have a Memorial Day sale, 15% off. That's sick. These, I wish these would had these in my size. They did. I didn't cop. I don't know why. What do you think about
These are hard.
Yeah, those are good. Ben had the off-white. He sold them. I don't know why. He's getting the shots though. Okay, but back on topic. Let me think. You think the inertias?
Maybe. See what else they got.
Alright, yeah, true. Ian had these. Yeah. He had those back there. I think those are good. Aren't those yours? No, those aren't yours. Okay. Those? How much are they?
Your size, 200.
200 my size? Oh no, those are too crazy.
What?
Those are too crazy.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Just get these.
Yeah. I think we're just gonna go with the inertias, honestly. So starting off with these, 15% off. Yeah. 255. All right. 255 for the inertia. So you gotta keep looking. Yeah. Orange shirt to match it. I'm wearing black shorts though, so it's gonna be sort of hard anyway. But we're gonna get new shorts. Ooh, the Scarface is one of the hardest hoodies out. Easily for that price too. But I'm not wearing it with an inertia set. That would be wet. Look at the watch, by the way. Look at Ben's eyes. Chill. We're getting the inertias already. We decided that. We're not going for a T. Yeah, I don't know where a T's at though. I don't know where a T's at. Yeah, like I'm trying to find something. Like I wanna match it with something nice. What would it go with? Like what color?
Like this kind of, but I don't like you could get a better tee. Like
yeah,
that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that was looking.
There was a K-Bam tee that was
Yo, this tee's a sick color to match it with.
Yeah, this
that's
one
an XL,
or even
though.
this one.
Let's see that.
K-Bam tee, you know what that is?
Nah, educate me more.
It's just a nice brand.
All right, there you go. By the, look how sick that banner is. That Nike one. That's sick. I don't know how they got that. He's getting store credits. So he might cop something. But we're looking. The Sade tee to match it. But it's
like
XL. Look at
oversized?
this. It's XL. No, that's chill. That's so oversized. I don't know. They don't got any like crazy tees. We just have to go like mall because they're all XL. None of these are my size. Should we just cop the shoes? Hold up. What you messing with? Polo shirts? No, we cop some shorts in the mall. True. Let's do that. All right. Look at Ian's phone. Looking at. What up, man? This jersey to match it? No.
The orange.
Chill, no. That's too crazy. No, I would not do that. Jerseys are like, people wear jerseys like dicks. Okay. Look at there, Ben. Oh, Rap-A-Lot Records to match.
You copping that? Yeah.
You're copping? Ben's got a tee. Look at new Supreme. There you go. That's sick. Nice cop, bud. And look. He's going crazy. All right, should we get the shoes right now? All right, let's get this. We're pulling up with them. Dang, do it.
They fit big.
What's that on? I got these Beat Ultra Boost on right now. The Beat shoes. Mine are Beat. All right, let's get these on over here. What are you looking at? Yes, cop that.
Maybe 255.
Here's 260.
Get him.
Get him in.
I didn't even count.
Look, nothing.
Yes, sir.
I know your
Yeah.
technique. I be like, I just don't know if I want that. I came into.
I've been waiting for 700 for like.
Run there.
Yeah, it's
Wild. Thank you. Yeah.
Sorry, we don't got no bags for this ball.
No, it's good. Shocker.
Can you take this? I gotta buy this.
What?
Ian, take this. I gotta buy this shirt. Take what? This? Alright.
Yeah, but bro, we got them. A lot of good times, you already know.
Yes, sir.
You know how long I waited for a pair of 700s? Like months.
That's good.
Like,
That's good.
Spence's
We got it. What?
You can't ditch Ben.
Oh, yeah.
Wait here, wait. I'll take this. Alright, we'll see y'all at the mall. He's hitting the Rap A Lot Records tee. Alright, it's like 100 degrees out here. How would you say? No, it's 90s. Yeah, but got the inertia. These are actually really comfy, a little tight, but they're fine. Actually, they're not like tight by my toes. It's more up by my ankle because of the way I laced them. I laced them sort of like I am, you know. Professional. I need like a lemonade or something. We're going Chick-fil-A because do you want to go eat? Yeah, so we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go get like a shirt or like some shorts maybe, just because that's what we're thinking right now. But it's a nice Saturday, you know. Thought I'd update y'all. No vlog here. Okay, they have like no tees. Like we checked Off-White, they had no Off-White tees, right? No. I can't even film in here, but Montclair tee. Yeah, some dude's probably gonna come us and tell us to start filming, but I don't really care. He's not gonna do anything. Well, how much is it? Check out.
Yeah.
Dude, look at this. Yeah.
Yeah, but I like the way it fits.
Yeah, me too. We should cop. Look at Ben's tee, by the way. Look at the Lakers bait. I see you.
This is hard.
No, but this Montclair tee.
How much is it?
I don't know. Should I ask?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go. Other stuff. Since we now put, I don't know, for the shorts, we may just have to like pack some shorts.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to do that. That's where you get a lot of my shorts, but that's I think what we're gonna have to do. Which is sort of like, I don't know how I'm still filming. No, because then we have that much on shorts. I don't know. Do you just think are we really gonna have to do the Off-White one? I mean, not really have to, because I'm glad, but like, I don't know. I feel like we could do better.
Chill. How is that possible?
How much are they?
185.
185 for shorts? Yeah, these are sort of trash. These ones, these aren't crazy. GT. Let's hope it's not too much. It's double XL. It's double XL. We gotta look at different ones.
Something. Versace's hella undersized.
350?
850.
850 for a Versace tee. 850? That's tax. I'm trying to keep this I'm trying to keep this on the low, but it's just not working. They definitely know I'm filming. I don't think they care. But we haven't found like any. We're still looking around. We haven't found anything, right?
No.
Yeah, exactly. There's nothing. I think the Off-White tee may be it. All right, should we cop it?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? All right, let's do this. Let's go get it.
Where'd you get your shirt?
What?
Where'd you get your shirt?
Oh, on Grailed.
You're gonna vlog it, you gotta vlog the whole thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Legendary used to come do the vlogs, but you gotta do it right.
All right, everything good? All right, thank you. All right, where are we going now? For the car? All right, let's just go. This was successful. We did it. Yeah, I do. I mean, for that much, though, 205 on a plane.
Not plain.
Yeah, but this it doesn't even have anything on the back or anything. Like,
That's high quality too.
yeah, it is. And it's, I guess, Virgil's creativity. All right, but we did it. We got the Off-White tee. Then we're just keeping these shorts, so not a full transformation. That's it. Do you think that's the title for this video?
The shorts are like nice.
Yeah. No, these are good shorts, but I guess we'll just have to cop some more like online. Then we'll get the full like fit going. I got a fit pick coming today though, so stay tuned on that. Nobody can see me, but yeah, now y'all can see me, but got all that. We're gonna get fit pits going. Today's just gonna be Saturday. I'm gonna edit this tonight, get it out Sunday, maybe Saturday night, depending on when I get home. But yeah, we rocking out here. I finally bought something. How long had it been? A minute, like a month. Even with Supreme, because this season is
Pretty bad.
so bad. So I'm hating on it completely. I'm against it. All right, everyone, but we're back at my house. I'm tired. The sun, everything is completely drained me. I'm so tired, but basically we're back. We got the Neiman bag, got the 700s boxed up right in here, very nice. And yeah, this is the Off-White tee that we got right here. I actually like it, but I think it was a little bit expensive for how much it costs, or not a little bit, but you get what I'm saying there. But yeah, pretty much this video's been done. This is our little outfit transformation we had. We had the Off-Whites, we had these Yeezys, which I'm gonna show you guys again. Another close up.
of them. So we had the Inertius, don't you forget this. This was probably my favorite sneaker pickup in a while. And then the tee from Neiman, again, this one right here. So that's pretty much was this video. So I hope you guys did enjoy this vlog. If you want more content like this, go ahead and subscribe, drop a like, blow this video up. And of course, we will be doing another one soon, and you guys can stay tuned and look out for that. Yeah, share this with your friends, share this with anyone you know. It'll go a long way. And follow me on Instagram and all that down below in the description, because don't forget, I'm Tristan. And I just want to show y'all pretty much what I do with the stuff that I get, and you guys can follow me and find out. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. It goes a long way. And yeah, that's it. Peace out.